Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Suchita Pradeep Koth, lecturer from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Rasiklalem Dhariwal College of Pharmacy. Here in this video we are going to study about enzyme, particularly in the introduction of enzyme and the classification of enzyme. Learning objective: after watching this video, students will be able to state importance of enzyme, they will be able to define the enzyme, and they will be able to explain the classification of an enzyme. Importance of enzyme. Enzymes play an important role in metabolism, diagnosis, and therapeutics. All biochemical reactions are enzyme catalyzed in the living organism. Level of enzyme in blood are diagnostic importance. For example, it is a good indicator in disease such as myocardial infarction. Enzyme can be used therapeutically such as digestive enzyme. Definition of an enzyme. Enzymes are a protein that increases the rate of reaction by lowering the energy of activation. They catalyze nearly all the chemical reaction taking place in the cell of the body. They will not be altered or consumed during the reaction, hence they are reusable in following biochemical reactions. Naming of an enzyme. The name of an enzyme in many cases is end in ASE, that is ASE. For example, sucrase catalyzes the hydrolysis of sucrose. The name describes the function of an enzyme. For example, oxidases. Oxidases catalyze the oxidation reaction. Sometimes common names are used, particularly for the digestion enzyme or digestive enzymes such as pepsin and trypsin, while some names describe both the substrate and the function. For example, alcohol dehydrogenase oxidases the ethanol. Now let's see about the classification of an enzyme. In case of classification, the International Enzyme Commission has classified enzymes into 6 classes. These 6 classes are subdivided further into different subclasses. This classification is based on the reaction of catalysis. Here, oxidoreductase, transferase, hydrolases, lysases, isomerases, and ligases are the subclass according to its reactions. We will see one by one. First is oxidoreductases. Biochemical activity. This enzyme catalyzes the oxidation reduction reaction, act on many chemical groupings to add or remove hydrogen atom. Example of oxidoreductases are lactate dehydrogenases, glucose oxidase, peroxidase, catalase, phenylalanine hydrolase. See, in this particular reaction, L-lactate will be converted into pyruvate by acting or by the action of enzyme lactate dehydrogenase. Second kind of subclass is transferases. Biochemical activity. It catalyzes the transfer of a functional group, for example methyl or phosphate, between donor and acceptor molecule. Example are transaminases, phosphotransferases, transmethylases, transpeptidases, transacylases. See the reaction. In this particular reaction, the L-alanine is get converted into pyruvate and alpha ketoglutarate is converted into glutamate by action of an enzyme alanine transaminases. Third subclass is hydrolases. The biochemical activity is this enzyme catalyzes the hydrolysis of various bonds which adding the water across a bond. Example of this particular subclass is protein hydrolyzing enzymes, that is peptidases, carbohydrases, that is amylase, maltase, lactase, lipid hydrolyzing enzymes, that is lipase, deaminases, and phosphatases. Particular this reaction, pyrophosphate is converted into phosphate by the enzyme pyrophosphatase. Next subclass is lysases. The biochemical activity of the enzyme is it cleaves the various bonds by means other than hydrolysis or oxidation. It It can add the water, ammonia or carbon dioxide across the double bond or remove these elements to produce double bond. Example of this particular class is fumarase and carbonic hydrase. See this reaction, in case of fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is get converted into dihydroxyacetone and phosphate, dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by an enzyme aldolase. Next is isomerases. The biochemical activity is it catalyzes the isomerization changes within a single molecule. They carry out many kind of isomerization, that is levo to dextro isomerization, mutase reaction, etc. For example, shift of chemical groups. Example of particular this subclass is isomerase and mutase. See the reaction. In this reaction, the levoalanine is get converted into dextroalanine by the enzyme alanine racemase. Next subclass is ligases. The biochemical activity is we join the two molecules with covalent bond catalyzed reaction in which two chemical groups are joined or ligated with the use of energy from ATP. Example are acetyl coenzyme carboxylase and glutamine synthetase. In this particular reaction, the L-glutamate is converted into L-glutamine by the enzyme action glutamine synthetase. Here ATP is used. We have seen this classification which is based on the reaction catalyzed. Now we will see on the basis of site of action. Enzyme can be classified as under. For example, first is endoenzyme. Those which act only inside the cell are known as endoenzymes or intracellular enzymes. This involve in synthesis of cell component, food reserves and bioenergetics, that is liberation of energy from the foodstuffs. Since these processes are intracellular, enzymes involved are also intracellular. Examples are synthetases, isomerases, phosphorylases. Second is exoenzyme. The enzymes which are secreted outside the cell are known as exoenzymes or extracellular enzymes. These are normally digestive in their function. These hydrolyzes a very complex molecules into simpler compounds. Example are proteases, lipases, amylases, which acting on proteins, lipids and starch respectively. Next is constitutive enzyme. The enzyme which are produced in the absence of substrate are known as a constitutive enzyme, which are produced in constant rate, in constant amount, irrespective of metabolic state of organism. Further, these are part of a basic or permanent enzymatic action of the cell. Example are enzymes of glycolytic series. Next is induced enzyme. These are present in trace amount but their concentration gets immediately increased in presence of substrate on which they act. Microorganisms produce them in response to the presence of substrate in the environmental only and hence are known as induced enzyme. In absence of substrate, these are not produced. Ethanol, barbiturates are powerful in inducing the hepatic microsomal enzymes. These are the classification of an enzymes. Thank you guys for listening this video. We will be soon meet for the next part of an enzyme. Thank you.